Chairman Culver,
Yes.
could you explain, I guess in layman's terms, so that the citizens of Houston County can understand, what exactly does this resolution that you're proposing do? What does it not do? When does it kick in? What kind of financial implications would there be for Houston County taxpayers?
Well, it is a part of the process to get accreditation for the medical school. One of the items in there that they have to do is escrow an amount of money for what's called a payout if for some reason you had to pay the tuition of the students that were out there to go to another school or something, if the school were to not succeed. They can escrow that money, in other words, come up with the money and put it in place, or a government entity like the county can issue a commitment letter like what we're looking at, and in that case they don't have to actually have that money on hand and put it in place. That's what they're asking us to do. There's not any expenditure from the county that's required. All that's required is a letter. There are funds there. If we ever had to come up with any money, the medical center would actually provide the money. So there's not any exposure that the county government has in this issue at all.
What exposures do the taxpayers have? Because I noticed in the resolution it says currently 1 mill is assessed.
That's right.
And 3 more are available.
Well, they are, and that is a fact. The constitutional amendment authorizes 4 mills for the hospital. They've chosen over the years to not collect 3. That continues to be their choice, to not collect the 3. There's no plan to put the additional 3 mills on. It is there, and they have the authority simply by a letter to this commission for us to assess it annually when we assess education taxes and everything else. But that is not in the plans. It is just there for any time in the future that the medical center ever needed those funds. They are there for their taking, if you will.
What is in dollars and cents, or dollars roughly, the value of 3 mills?
About $4 million a year.
Thank you.
You're welcome.